Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm using the Bouquet Dots stamp set and an unusual product. I have here compressed air. This I got from Staples, I believe, and I use it to clean dust out of my keyboard. So I am using just the little red nozzle, and it's like a straw, and I'm blowing on my marker. That is a Night of Navy marker, and then this is a Bermuda Bay marker. Now I know it doesn't look like there's a lot of ink on this stamp, but I've been having a hard time with these stamps, these realistic stamps. Or distinctive, I should say. And this was the only way that I could get mine to sort of look the way it's supposed to. So you're supposed to have a very light coating of ink. So I was happy with this success. So the first stamping, the first impression, I misted my stamp with one spray of water. The second one I used 2 sprays of water, and the third one I am using 3 sprays of water, and I'm spraying probably a foot away from my paper, and this was the result, first, second, and third. I have used the Celebrate You Thinlit dies. I ran that through the Big Shot 3 times with Night of Navy cardstock, and I'm sorry for the noise. The cats like to play right when I'm doing a voiceover, so that's really awesome. Okay, so I have used the word you from the Tabs for Everything stamp set, and I am inking that stamp set up with Bermuda Bay, and I am stamping on a couple of different ways. I just didn't know which one where I was going to like it. So then I thought, well, you know what? I like making individual cards kind of the same, but sort of different. And so different cardstocks here, white, Bermuda Bay, and Night of Navy, using my bone folder to crease, and then just adhering all the card fronts to a card base, and you can tell me which one you like best. The first one I did was the white card base. The second one was Night of Navy, and the last one is Bermuda Bay. And I am using also glitter enamel dots for these cards. All right, so thanks so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked, the white, Night of Navy, or Bermuda Bay. Thanks for hanging, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.